Wasabi Wallet Crypto Wallet Review. Watch before using. Wasabi Wallet is a privacy-focused Bitcoin wallet designed for users who prioritize anonymity and security in their cryptocurrency transactions. Known for its strong stance against surveillance, Wasabi Wallet offers features like CoinJoin technology, which mixes Bitcoin transactions to obscure their origins and destinations, effectively breaking the traceability chain that standard Bitcoin wallets often expose. Built for Bitcoin maximalists and privacy enthusiasts, it supports Tor integration by default, ensuring your IP address remains hidden while interacting with the blockchain. Wasabi Wallet is non-custodial, meaning you retain full control of your private keys and funds, eliminating the risk of third-party breaches. The wallet is open source, allowing transparency and trust among its users. It supports hierarchical deterministic (HD) wallet functionality, letting users generate multiple addresses for improved privacy while maintaining simplicity and fund management. One of its standout features is the easy-to-use CoinJoin interface, which simplifies the privacy-enhancing process without requiring deep technical knowledge. Wasabi Wallet also implements a coin labeling system, helping users track the origins of their funds and decide which coins to mix for better privacy. Ideal for advanced users and those already familiar with Bitcoin, Wasabi Wallet does have a steeper learning curve compared to mainstream wallets. Its interface, while functional, is geared towards users who understand concepts like UTXOs, unspent transaction outputs, and blockchain analysis risks. Beginners may find it challenging, but with some research, the wallet can be a game changer for personal Bitcoin security. It's compatible with Windows, macOS, and Linux, and supports hardware wallets like Ledger and Trezor for enhanced cold storage options. On the downside, Wasabi Wallet only supports Bitcoin, so it's not suitable for users dealing with altcoins. Additionally, the CoinJoin process comes with fees, and transactions may take longer due to the mixing process. However, these trade-offs are minimal for users seeking the highest level of privacy. In conclusion, Wasabi Wallet is a robust solution for those serious about Bitcoin privacy. It's not the most beginner-friendly wallet, but its powerful features make it an essential tool for anyone looking to stay anonymous in the Bitcoin space. If privacy and control over your funds are top priorities, Wasabi Wallet deserves a spot in your crypto toolkit.